Shut up.
And I'm driving really fucking slow. Not a big shit. It's pretty. Like a motherfucker.
Shut up.
Give me every video, really.
I know. Oh.
It's fun. I got the line. Because you're one, I will get out. Sing little Johnny Cash with me.
Do 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 do. No, I hear the train a coming. It's running round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunlight since I don't know when, 'cause I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging. But that train it keeps rolling down to San Antone.
Really, motherfuckers, really. This is like the bullshitting drive of my entire life. And you wanted to go to fucking Toledo.
Whoa! Fucking hell!
Oh my god! We're gonna die before we get back. You gotta show Rash that when you get home.
I am.
Oh, fuck me!
I'm closing this window so that doesn't happen again. Fuck that.
What? I gotta turn the fucking thing on hot so it'll defrost the window. Alright?
Yeah, just drive a bit slower.
I am driving 40 miles an hour, motherfucker. I can't drive much slower. This is some bullshit. It's fucking raining. I can't fucking see because it's raining so fucking hard. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna feel it wrong, but it's okay. It's all fine. You guys notice I sing to myself while I'm on it.
I know.
And that was kind of
Whoa, you're a bit too far over.
Like, no shit. And this is really motherfucking bullshit.
It is.
This is total fucking bullshit. You hear that? The road's flooded.
Yep.
Motherfucker, the road is flooded. Flooded! I was hoping we could beat the storm. Now it's fucking hot in here, like 100 degrees.
I know.
And I can't open the windows so it'll get wet. And I'm gonna turn. Oh, fuck me.
Pull into the petrol station.
Yeah, it's too late. We passed it.
Oh, fuck.
Well,
Shit. This is messed up, this. I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunlight since I don't know when. But I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging by. But that train it keeps going down onto San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mother told me so. I don't know what the next line is.
no, I don't either. Why are we singing false prison blues?
Because this feels like fucking Folsom Prison.
Just watch him die. What's on the radio? What's on the radio?
Something fucked up, probably.
Yeah, we're not getting anything. Oh, motherfucker, it's so hot in here, god damn it!
I know.
Fucking bugger! Like, the road is fucking flooded!
It is. And here comes the tram lines, railway lines.
Yeah.
everybody's doing like 10 miles an hour on the other side, and you're doing 40.
I'm not even going 40 anymore.
Oh,
What?
I just opened the window, big mistake.
Like, we're a hydro place, dude.
I know,
I just want to get back. I want to get out of this.
in one piece.
Yes.
Trust me, you're not the only one. End of roadworks, get in.
Seriously? This is really fucking making me. I've never been this nervous driving in my life. And I've been nervous before. This is fucking balls, dude.
Corgis. Whoa.
Here, get out of the hydroplane part for a minute. Does that help?
A little bit.
Alright.
Yeah, keep them on.
Yeah, until another car comes and I got to turn off.
Yeah.
But for the minute,
Yeah. I can see the road now.
yeah, it's fine. Motherfucker, really?
Let's just stay where you are, you're fine. See the outside of the highway?
Yeah. He was at his high beam on too.
Yeah, just put them on.
I can't. It's against the law. And I,
He's put his back on.
no, he turned his off.
Dickhead. They put them on now. There we go, we can see.
That helps.
Yep,
It actually helps.
it does. As you can
Still videotaping this shit,
yeah, on to the 7 minutes.
including this fucked up conversation and us singing.
Johnny
sorry,
Castle.
sorry, see?
Show it, bitch there.
No, that's usually what they do.
What?
If you got your high beams on, they'll fucking flash you with their high beams. It's a jerk. Jerks, I tell you, jerks.
He's a truck driver, that's why.
That was warm and flat and kind of gross.
And I'm fucking sweating like a bitch now.
Yeah, no shit. Okay, this is getting a little better. The rain's
It is.
listening.
It is. It is. We can start to see it now.
Yeah.
That lightning's getting worse, so.
Yeah, except the front edge of it.
The rain's getting lighter, it's starting again.
What? We've made it ahead the front part of the storm again.
Yeah, oh. At least there's some street lights now.
Yeah, I know. But you know what?
Oh,
By the time we get back to the hotel,
yeah, they'll probably have stopped.
no, this shit will have caught up with us because it's all moving towards the way we're going.
Yeah, true.
Because we're driving faster than the storm is moving.
Yeah. At least it's not a tornado.
Shut up.
It's not going to be. There's no tornado warnings.
No, I haven't heard any sirens. But I haven't had the radio on either, so I don't know what's going on anymore.
The Ashland Service SLQ. Are you ready for summer? Start your new season with a
This
new
is
hairstyle.
the local
Pembroke
station.
is ready for the sand and water on the shores of Lake Erie.
Wow,
Perfect
shit.
hair
Yep.
has all your beauty needs to start summer out right. Whether it's a tanning package, nail services, or massage therapy, Perfect Color Hair Tan will make sure you are ready for summer. Perfect Color
Pay full
Hair
beams on,
Tan,
there's no
on
cop.
North Madison Street
What?
in
Pay
downtown
full beams on.
Portland. The Wonder is brought to you by Goldlock Sheet Metal, with locations in Sandusky and Fort Clinton. And for the heat of the season is here to stay. Better call and schedule a pro check for the most complete air conditioning
Okay,
setup in the
much
area.
better now.
Call Goldlock
Yeah, it's
for
eased off a bit.
They're experts at Schindler.
Soon tell you when I open the window. It gets soaked, it hasn't. It has, it's eased off.
72. Some of the storms can be heavy at times. Wednesday will have mostly cloudy skies and a high near 85. And for Wednesday night, we'll have showers and thunderstorms with a low of around 68. On the Lake and Bay 4 tonight through tomorrow night, we'll have southwest winds 5 to 15 knots with waves 2 feet or less. And the water temperature off Marblehead is 70 degrees. 27. When you wake up, you hear this.
It's like the longest drive to burrito I've ever had.
Whoa! I hope I just caught that on video.
Oh, sure. Hold that fast.
Got it?
It's your soda. Hold
I know, I've got it.
Try to find some other. Really, Rod Stewart? No. He's not the soundtrack of my life. Whoa, did you see that, like, wave of it?
Yes.
Got me open all night. Got me open all night.
The free show.
On 92.5 Kiss FM.
This is gonna be some video. This like.
Right from the start, you were a thief. You stole my heart, and
This is gonna be some fucking crazy video.
We're behind the lightning now, because the lightning's on the right hand side. So we're definitely ahead of the storm now.
Right, that's what I was saying.
It's behind it because the lightning's coming from the side. Whoa! I know it's Bon Jovi.
Don't know the words.
No, I'm not a massive fan.
I'm not either, but I work for free. But I know words to
Oh.
songs.
So how far to Sandusky are we now?
15 minutes.
Bloody hell.
Told you.
Oh.
This was your idea. Let's drive to Toledo, you said. It'll be fine, you said.
It was your idea.
I said, no.
I don't know if that was Here's a throwback request. 97.3.
I feel like sticking this on YouTube as well.
You gotta include the audio though.
What?
You have to include the audio.
Oh, I would.
What?
I would include the audio.
Because that's part of the recipe.
Exactly. Whoa.
They're seeing lightning off to the left.
Yep.
Don't be afraid. Let the show.
See, proper storm, not like fucking joke ones that you get in England. Whoa, I call that one.
Cindy Lauper and a stormy night.
I know.
Kind of fun.
We're the radio station everyone
Whoa.
playing the best variety of music.
Yeah.
When did we cross the lake?
This is Portage River.
Oh yeah, Portage, I remember now. Oh. This is brilliant. Window's gonna have to get closed again.
Yep. Windows up.
Clermont. Whoa. That lit the sky up. Whoa. Fuck me. It's directly overhead because it's the blast, the burst of lightning are only seconds apart.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm already gonna slow down even a lot.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Detour 1,000 feet.
It's through the other road now.
Oh, that's fine then.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
This is even worse than before. Oh, fuck off.
Holy shit, look at this fog.
Just be slowly. Just drive 10 miles an hour or something. Just concentrate on the lines.
I am. Shut up. Don't talk to me.
Put your full beams on as well.
I can't because of traffic.
I don't think anybody's going to say anything to you tonight.
If you want to go around me, go around me. I am nervous as fuck, dude. Go. Hey.
He's a fucking idiot, him.
Yeah. What is your name?
You're in it. You're in it. Just stay. There, you're going too far, right?
I can't see, fucker.
Oh! Still 18 miles. Nobody behind, so you can just take it easy. Yeah, they're off. Whoa, this is not good. Portland. Yeah, 1 mile Portland. fine, you're in the lane.
Right, then most nervous about going over the big bridge.
Sorry?
Said I'm most nervous about going over the big bridge.
Which is coming up.
Yes. That is the big bridge.
It's easing off.
A little bit, I think.
This is it. There's the bridge.
Big bridge. It's like just a second.
Oh, starting up again.
How are you feeling?
Hey, I'm fine.
You okay?
Nope. Because you're a good driver. You'll be fine. Just concentrate on the lanes.
I am. I'm trying.
It's just when you get dickheads like this behind you who are tailgating you in this weather.
He wants to go around again.
Exactly. Just he can seriously piss right off. If he wants to overtake you in this weather, let him do it.
Yeah, because
It's his life, not yours.
Anybody get a death wish tonight?
It's already backed off a bit.
What were we talking about? Having death wishes earlier?
Aye, and what's happening? Look at this. 14 miles still, Sandusky.
Yeah, what was that about death wishes earlier?
I know.
Makes me wonder if I even have one or not. Face with this or take out? I'm so nervous.
This guy on the left-hand side doesn't know whether to overtake or back off.
I know. I was just so...
There he goes.
Thank you.
Dick.
Driver is like pouring so hard you can't see lines. Why are you going to fucking 65?
Because he's an idiot.
I want to see the video when you're done with it.
Oh yes, that'll be good.
I don't know if I really want to hear my voice, but especially singing.
Where's the bridge?
Coming up. There's one exit here at Utah,
Right.
and then and it's the big bridge.
Oh, that's the bridge that we went over on the way out, wasn't it?
Yes. Remember?
Yeah.
That is the big bridge.
It's like a mini version of the bridge over Lake Pontchartrain.
Real bad.
Whoa. There we go.
There we go.
This arsehole behind was still tailgating. Sort of.
Okay,
He's not like the other one.
he's not bothering me. He's like,
Gotta be somebody.
Nickelback, Kentucky.
Lakeside Marblehead, yeah we go.
We're getting there.
He has backed off a lot, so you can just concentrate now. Because even he's not that stupid.
No, he's getting up in Marblehead. Why are Romeo and Juliet considered a historical love couple?
I have no idea.
They both fucking die in the end of the book. Stupid asses.
Exactly.
I don't want to be Romeo and Juliet, motherfucker. I don't want to be Desdemona and Othello either.
Yes, exactly. Here we go. This is the bridge.
And I don't want to be Lady Macbeth.
Here we go. Concentrate on the bridge. Sandusky Bay. Here we go.
I want to be somebody out of a village of Cheesy as fuck.
Right. There we go. We're on the bridge.
See? not listening to me.
I am.
See?
You did.
True love are Mills and Boom's shitty fucking paperback novels. That's true love.
Because I don't end up dying.
That's right. So Romeo and Juliet second.
They would.
And all I gotta say, Jane Austen
It's shit.
is nothing but fucking dime store romances written in Middle English.
I know.
So it's not great literature. Trust me, I've read lots of them. There are better writers than Jane Austen.
I know.
You're like, really, why are you ready for Jane Austen?
I can't stand Jane Austen.
Yeah, we need some music in here.
Sorry, because we're getting practically over the bridge. Just once you get over this hump in the road, that's it. Again, roll. Is these fucking nuts?
Oh, it stinks!
Lose my soul. I reminisce about days of old, like that old time of rock and roll. Look at that! All the spray that's coming off. We're over the bit. There we go. We're over the bit. You've made it. Oh. Actually, you're not quite over the bay yet. Still on it. Yep. Say I'm old fashioned, say I'm over the hill. Oh, no, get that window closed.
I can't close it on this side, the switch doesn't work. You gotta close it.
Nothing.
What was that?
Not a thing.
I feel like I gotta do this out and bust that.
Yeah.
What's this?
I've got to wait till this.
Really cut.
Billy Joel. Oh, Elton John. It's Elton John.
No more of your darkness.
I gotta wait for the fucking word. No, listen. To know why the first two lines of music.
Seem to fade to black and white.
And I know it's coming.
I'm grown tired, and time stands still before me.
I've been filming for half an hour. Cedar Point.
On the ladder of my life.
Sandusky, 1 mile. Exit.
I'm not taking that extra.
Yeah, Noctis frame on.
Changed your way of life. But you misread
Sandusky Corporation Limit.
about me that when I met you. Close the door and let me
Let the sun go down on me.
although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just now fragment of your life to wander free. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
Oh, it's windy now.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah, it's really
Cool everything down.
I can find all the right romantic
Is
lines.
this the exit you're taking? Yo.
But see me once and see the way I feel. Don't discard me just because you think I mean you harm. But these cuts I wear, oh, they need love to help them heal. Don't let the sun go down.
Stop it.
Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
Aye.
Don't let the sun go down on me.
Couldn't see anyway. Too dark.
Just being upgraded.
All systems go. Sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside.
Radioactive from Imagine Dragons nighttime radio program. All right, so the world's ugliest dog contest is over for another year.
World's
They do this
ugliest
every year.
dog.
I love
My
one of my most
spouse.
favorite-
World's ugliest dog. Your ex-girlfriend.
car tour at McDonald's knows.
So we did it. Was it? Who's this?
I can't hear it. Linda Carlisle. Don't know.
Fleetwood Mac.
Is it? Alright.
CB next singing.
4607.
For a free quote, call a Toledo area Allstate agent today. Find one.
We're ahead of the storm again. But the thing is, just as we hit Sandusky, it's going to catch her.
You turn on the radio.
Battery's low. It's going to go off any minute. I've been filming for 40 minutes. I know it is.
The largest.
Line 4.
Well, I might just make it.
Sandusky's voice of the Firelands, 95.3 WLKR. That is Sean Mullins. Will from Lullaby. Dennis in studio with you in the studio.
There's Huron.
On the way. I'll get you one of the
Is that Huron?
and music from 10,000 Maniacs. I'm next on 95.3.
Perkins. Oh yeah, who runs the other side, isn't it?
Stupid party, no chill. Hey baby,
I
and you over your library book? Because you've got fine written all over you. Barb, what about that girl with the hoop earring? Ridiculous. When she was dancing, look out, look out!
It's the next right, isn't it?
Oh, every day.
Yeah, we're in front of the storm again.
Yeah, we'll probably just beat it actually.
Percent or more.
We might just get back. See that point next right, so that's 250, isn't it?
Where my mama always said, if you're reading this, I'm already home.